10 important GK questions and answer. Question number 1. Maximum number of seats in the Rajya Sabha is in? Answer: Uttar Pradesh. Who was the first chairman of the Planning Commission? Answer: Jawaharlal Nehru. Who was India's first president? Answer: Rajendra Prasad. Who was the temporary chairman of the Constituent Assembly? Answer: Dr. Sachchidananda Sinha. Number of schedules in Indian Constitution? Answer: 12. Who is the Constitution head of India? Answer: President. The head of the Indian Parliament system is the? Answer: President. Where is the Election Commission located? Answer: New Delhi. Who hosts the flag on Independence Day at Delhi Fort? Answer: Prime Minister. Alexandria is famous seaport of? आंसर: इजिप्ट। अगर वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करें और सारे फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग एंड कीप सपोर्ट मी। लव यू। बाय बाय।